Welcome to a new video and episode on my Arduino Mega2560 in combination with a bit of electronics and a very little bit of physics, being this switch. Also not really electronics, but yet electronics, a speaker. The focus is on programming with scientific language Octave, and then from within Arduino controlling it. So instead of programming the Arduino, I program from a computer and then straight straight through the Arduino and see whatever is happening. Now the Arduino package has a play tone function, and the last couple of episodes I've been trying to get some nice things out of it, and then it turns out that I was trying way too high frequency, so I heard only starting of tones and crackles. So I lowered the frequency to 200 Hz, 800 Hz, 1200 Hz, and those are audible. The only problem is still with the function that where the manual says that the duration in seconds is that you play a tone between 0 and 30 seconds, it starts after that time. So I'm still fighting and wondering what is going on. What I have also done is putting an LED here. Please don't watch at this part of the circuit, I'm not using it right now. So with this LED here, I can, it is first the speaker and then this one, and that in a while loop. The probes are attached to an oscilloscope, so I should be able to find a frequency match. Will that help? I don't know yet. So far I can't distinguish really between the frequencies, but then again maybe the time base of the oscilloscope hasn't been set right. Because 800 Hz or 200 Hz to take minimum is 200 cycles per second. So if you want to see really a cycle change, you have to set the time base very short. Anyway, apart from that, let's see whatever happens. I'll play it once, and then I can also explain what I did in preparation. So let's go. See, this is what you hear. And then something goes wrong, which also was last time, and I have to check that. So let's see the software. Right, so Octave environment, camera, oscilloscope, set to pattern this time, and I have to play with time base to get to see a difference in frequency. This is for now set to the LED, this probe, and this one is this probe. If you have watched the previous videos, then you may notice difference. Much shorter, well, yeah, much shorter code where I removed everything, or more appropriate, I took this part of the code of this part of the code out of the other code and put it into a new file. So this is now only play tone, and the rest for the electronic circuit is in its original setting. So what to do, how to do it. Let's play it again. Wait, and then whatever should be the length. Oh, that's not good. Why don't I hear anything now? I would have liked to hear something. Right. And there is a tone playing. So while hearing that annoying tone, let's get to frequency. Okay, that is more like a frequency. Then and quit. Let's try again, and I can best do that from here. And yes, it should be at it should last for 3 seconds, but it starts after 3 seconds. And right now you can see a difference. So if I look at this, there is definitely a difference in frequency. But if I look here, there should be silence as well. And now would be a nice way to know how to stop displaying the signal. I think that is a very nice one to seek out for this oscilloscope. But there's one signal, a second, I think I see 3 or 4 signals. Yeah, alright. I have to call, yeah, and then that happens, alright. So the X is not accepted anymore. Too bad. Oh, by the way, why don't I see anything on... I didn't pay any attention to the LED. Let me shine some more light on it, that's better. So let's do it again. Yeah, there's nothing here. Right. And the point is that if I want to break X, then I have to say play tone is 0. And that is on D8, no, on D10, because D10 is the speaker. So, that will be 0. Hertz after 0 seconds on D10. But point is, it doesn't accept X for now, for some reason. And I do not see anything on the LED, which is also strange. Okay, is everything connected? Yes. Then let's go again. Again, 3 seconds. Oh wait, I think this might be a signal to the LED, which is extremely faint. No Arduinos found. Not again. This means that I have to plug and unplug it. And alright, I do that on the computer side. So let's see if it works now. Yeah. I press X, but it doesn't do a thing. Oops, that was not the intention. So why doesn't X work? Or Ctrl C, I can try Ctrl C. If that works, that's a good one. Does it work? No. Line 4, non-conformant arguments. Yeah. So it takes only one. Or this does it? Is one, and that is 1 times 2. Alright. So that's a riddle with it. Nothing is working here. Nothing is working here. Okay, how to continue? Alright, now I have changed the algorithm a bit. Everything is included now. And I changed the timing, the duration, although I don't expect it has anything to really have result. But let's see whatever happens. Also, play tone can interfere with pulse modulation, but right now I am not using any pulse modulation function from the Arduino package. So that should not interfere. Anyway, let's check again. And that's again 3 seconds. And now I have very clear signal on the LED. I have a very clear signal on, oh wait, look and see here. Very different timings now. But although they're very different timings, and let's look here, it's not in seconds anyway. So yes, there is some timing difference, but not the way I expect. So that's 1, 2, 3, and then another happens. 1, 2, 3, and then LED. Yeah, that's correct. So actually this is the third time something happens on the scope that is believable. On the other hand, why does it slow down and speed up? But this is interesting to see. I expect on the speaker two really different frequencies. which is 1 and 2. And this is clearly the 1200 Hertz. So now for the first time using pattern, I can see him. So that's good. Except for the timing, that doesn't make any sense. So, this is 100 Hertz. But again, because of the speed of the frames per second of the camera, this is very different than what it looks with the bare eye. And then, what can I change again? If anything. It is about sound. Although, yeah, play tone on an LED is light. True. Let me just put another one. So let me copy this stuff, put it here, and make this 6. And let's see what happens then. Then I should be able to see 3 right here instead of 2. Will that happen? Again, X doesn't do a thing. Oh, wait. What is happening here? Yeah, the LED is functioning now uninterrupted, which looks like that's correct. But why it happens, that's another question. Alright, start again with the new code. What do we have? Yeah, 3. But it goes very fast. Yeah, and that is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Speeding up without me doing anything. That's the weird thing. But at least I have now something to look back at. And it's now at 10 milliseconds if I change the time base. Yeah, that's a little bit better to watch. Easier to watch. Now you see really... What is that? Yeah, that's just optical illusion. It goes faster than the eye. And now you see really 3 frequencies. Yeah. Right. Frequencies, yes. Timing, absolutely not correct. But what to do about it? Alright, now I have a problem. Suppose that I make use of the fact that how play tone duration now works. So D1 causes this to start after 3 seconds instead of immediate start and lasting 3 seconds. However, that is not how it works, because instead of this 3 seconds, this starts very short afterwards, and this is certainly no 6 seconds. On the other hand, you may be happy because to hear for 3 seconds a tone of 100 Hz and then for 6 seconds a tone of quietness, and then for another 3 seconds 200 Hz, that is not advisable, not really pleasant to hear. On the other hand, this is not correct either. So the big question is what to do. Leave it at this, although hearing this for say a few minutes makes you not feeling nicely. You can make the frequency go higher in the algorithm, but then again, what's the timing anyway? The timing is about 2 blocks. 2 blocks being 20 milliseconds. Yeah, 20 milliseconds. That is not really 2 seconds or 3 seconds even. Doesn't make any sense. So what to do? And it is really in seconds. Unless I'm missing a very big part of the explanation, which I don't believe. But how to continue with this? Another fact is, why does it speed up? Because it speeds up and slows down, speed up, slows down. That is nowhere in the algorithm that I know. So, alright, let's, pressing X has no result. And then this happens, obviously, making use of the unintentional silence to quit the audio. So, why is this no longer working? It is the X. And while true, so if it is, okay, let me do something different then. I display keyboard. And then I have to put it on screen immediately, so I have to so then I know it is actually going into this when I press X. Go. Yeah. X. I press X, but it actually doesn't show keyboard. So that means that it actually doesn't enter the if statement. So it never hits it never enters the break statement either. It never meets it. Ouch. So this is not good. And this is the statement that did work. So what's wrong with it now? Other letter, alright. Let me use Z. What happens this time? Well, in short, nothing either. Here I start pressing Z and it doesn't even bother to come up with keyboard displaying on, or should I make it like this? Who knows? Let me do that then. Just a semicolon. And answer is very simple, doesn't happen. So there's no keyboard and it just goes on. Flush. I have here flush and then this one. And 500 is being played immediately. Not quite sure what to think of it. By the way, in other algorithms I use with Octave, keyboard hit was suddenly not recognized either. And I'm not sure why. Strange and unfortunate. And then it is time to wrap. So, two mysteries. Why is the keyboard entry not being picked up? And why the timing? Why doesn't the duration go? And why is it inconsequent? I have no idea yet. I'm glad that I finally found a way on the oscilloscope to make it visible in a nice way. But any better? No, it doesn't. For now, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion, much appreciated. You can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Please show your support by making a donation via either PayPal or Wired. And you can also become a patron, and depending on the pledge you may have your name mentioned. For much more information on that, please see under this video. For donating much more information on my website, the URL is under my video. Anything else also on my website, please. This is going to be continued. Have a nice day and bye bye.